Okay, good evening. I am going to open for City Turbo 2 Spoon Spot made by Inno. Yeah, I'm sorry to open it. Okay, this is the new, just received last week, so I'm going to open it and see what's inside. Got a background. Okay, let's see. Oh, very nice. Here is the motorcycle. Wow, very small and very tight. Oh yeah, there's it. Okay, very tiny. Can you see on the video? Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. Ouch. Let's put it aside first. Okay. Oh, it's have an unscrew, so we view it like this. I think the bonnet can be opened. Quite tight. Yeah, can be open. Inside is a roll cage. Can see inside. Yes. Okay, the side view, spoon spot stickers. The front bonnet I think also can be open, but I not open it. Yeah, quality not bad. Inside got two, not sure it's what's bucket seat, full bucket, and two sub belt, seat belt with one fire extinguisher and one I think is NOS. Yeah, the livery is not bad, very nice. Yeah, that's it. Short video for the unboxing for Honda City Turbo 2 Spoon Sport. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.